First up, if you got stubborn short bangs, here's how to style them. Part a larger section of hair at the front and tie it into a small pigtail. Start to braid the hair along the front and towards the back. Tie the braid with a clear elastic band. Voila! Beautiful hairstyle and no bangs in your eyes. Next, let us show you how to French braid your hair from the front. Place the hair on the front and then take sections to braid under the chin. Keep it super tight until the braid is finished. After you finish the braid, take the hair and flip it towards the back. So cute! Now, let's show you a cool tool to straighten your hair. This electric brush is the solution to all your problems. It works better than a flat iron. Your hair will be straight with no frizz. To style it, just do a fishtail braid. Adorable! And lastly, here's how to give your hair volume and style them. Use a volumizing powder and straight on the roots. Dust off the remaining powder and repeat as necessary. Place the hair in a twist and there we go! A gorgeous and voluminous hairstyle!